Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Sintra AI, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek, three powerful AI platforms that are making waves in the industry in 2025. Whether you're interested in business applications, customer service, or advanced AI analysis, these platforms have different strengths and functionalities. Let's dive in and explore how they stack up against each other. Sintra. Sintra AI is a robust artificial intelligence platform designed to provide businesses with AI-driven solutions like predictive analytics, natural language processing, NLP, and automated customer service. Strengths. Sintra AI excels at predictive analytics and data integration, offering customizable solutions tailored to different industries. It's great for businesses looking to leverage data for business forecasting and decision-making. It also offers powerful chatbots and virtual assistants for automating customer interactions. Ideal for businesses that need AI to improve operational efficiency, data analysis, and customer service. It's perfect for industries like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and marketing. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, designed to engage in human-like conversations and assist with a wide range of tasks. Strengths. ChatGPT is incredibly proficient in natural language understanding and can assist with tasks like content creation, coding, customer support, and even problem solving. It excels at understanding complex queries, making it great for conversational AI and creative tasks. Ideal for anyone in need of interactive AI for writing, customer engagement, or as a conversational assistant. It's widely used by content creators, developers, and businesses looking for easy automation in their operations. DeepSeek is an AI platform focused on advanced search capabilities and knowledge extraction. It uses deep learning and machine learning to provide precise insights from vast amounts of unstructured data, often in real time. Strengths. DeepSeek stands out for its ability to search and analyze vast data sets quickly and accurately. It's ideal for extracting meaning from complex data, such as research papers, articles, and market trends, allowing businesses to stay ahead of their competition with valuable insights. Ideal for professionals and businesses in need of cutting-edge research tools for data analysis and knowledge discovery. It's particularly useful for industries like finance, legal research, and academic research. Comparison. Sintra AI versus ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. One functionality. Sintra AI is all about predictive analytics and business automation. It's perfect for companies that want to use AI to make data-driven decisions. ChatGPT is best for those who need conversational AI or content generation. It's a versatile assistant for many different tasks. DeepSeek is tailored for those who require advanced search capabilities and insight extraction from large data sets, making it highly valuable for researchers and businesses needing data mining. 2. Ease of use. Sintra AI may require some customization and understanding of AI principles, especially for smaller businesses without a dedicated AI team. ChatGPT is incredibly easy to use, with a simple conversational interface and immediate results. DeepSeek might require more technical know-how to fully utilize its advanced data extraction features. 3. Target audience. Sintra AI is ideal for businesses looking to optimize processes and gain predictive insights from data. ChatGPT is perfect for individuals and companies that need AI to handle tasks like writing, brainstorming, coding, or customer support. DeepSeek targets researchers and data-intensive industries that need advanced analytics and search capabilities. Conclusion. Each of these AI platforms offers unique features that serve different needs. Sintra AI shines in business automation and predictive analytics, making it ideal for industries looking to leverage data for decision-making. ChatGPT stands out for conversational AI and is a versatile tool for writing, brainstorming, and content generation. DeepSeek excels at advanced data search and is a perfect solution for researchers and those needing deep insights from large data sets. The choice between these platforms depends entirely on what you need AI to do for you. Whether it's improving business processes, enhancing customer interactions, or digging deep into data, these AI tools offer powerful solutions to meet various demands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. See you in the next one.